The main topic of cosmetology is not only the marketing beauty of the skin, there is an active search for tools that restore the physiology of the skin, maintain the cycle of its internal processes, and preserve beauty through functional health. Affinity is a new era of respect for the life of the skin. Affinity is a tool for those who think years ahead. Affinity is a different philosophy of relationship with the skin through its pores. In recent decades, we have witnessed a tremendous breakthrough in understanding the role of the skin as an immune organ, a complex ecosystem sensitive to age, hormones, and stress. Her rational architecture is wrapped in communication channels. They are also channels of entry into her biological matrix. We are talking about skin appendages, hair follicles, sweat glands, sebaceous ducts, and about their influence on skin homeostasis. Affinity technology stands out for its precision, personalization, non-invasiveness, and high efficiency. This raises it to a new level of acceptance by premium clients who expect not only comfort, but also long-term pain-free results from the procedure. Precise adjustment of the device parameters, use of various and carefully selected solutions, and disposable consumables eliminates the possibility of irritations, allergies, and other undesirable side effects. This is a necessary and very important aspect for premium services in the beauty industry. Getting into the pores of the skin solutions clean them and positively affect the natural renewal processes. This allows us to work safely and effectively with both anti-aging and complex skin conditions, acne, rosacea, seborrhea, psoriasis, eczema, various inflammations, fungal and bacterial lesions, which is also unquestionably highly rated in the premium segment. Affinity is the tool that unites and satisfies all the demands of modern cosmetology, both the request for marketing and the request for functional health. It's important to note that affinity treatments can be not only highly effective, but also budget-friendly. With short sessions, minimal treatments, and minimal supplies, affinity technology remains affordable even for clients with limited income. Without compromising on results, talk to your skin in its language.